Hi everyone. Welcome to RedSocial. Today, we're going to show you how to turn on Facebook Profile Picture Guard. Identity theft has increased by 584% over the last 2 decades. Our guide will help you protect your profile. Let's get started. Facebook Profile Picture Guard prevents others from downloading, sharing, or tagging themselves in your profile picture without your consent. It helps safeguard your online identity and prevent misuse. Here's how to activate it. First, open Facebook and go to your profile. Tap your profile picture, then tap Turn on Profile Picture Guard. Follow the prompts and tap Next to complete the setup. For extra security, you can also add a design overlay to your profile picture. To do this, access your profile and tap your picture. Press Add Frame, browse through the designs, and choose one that you like. To further secure your account, regularly update your privacy settings, be cautious with third-party apps, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your account for unusual activity. If you ever need to deactivate the Profile Picture Guard, go to your profile, tap your profile image, and select Remove Profile Picture Guard. That's it. You've learned how to turn on and off Facebook Profile Picture Guard. Protect your online identity and stay safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.